Hello, my name is Fernando Bender. I'm the developer manager at Greenfield. Today with our software Wild Horses, we will analyze the prices of Bitcoin quoted in United States dollars for the week ending in this 14 October, 23 hours 59 minutes Sunday. As we see here in this chart generated by our software Wild Horses, the downtrend channel was breached once more by the prices in a sideways move. That's a continuation of a trend that started here in end June when it made a bottom, and since then it started in each time more declining peaks and trending each time more horizontally rather than in any other direction. So the reflection of this in the prices is that the prices have been concentrated on an horizontal line where it currently lies in. So given that the volume of this recent week was lower than the previous ones and that it is decreasing its volume as time passes by, we do not believe that there is a chance or an opportunity or a probability of reaching higher levels, because it already is at the top of the region that it most frequently has visited. So the upward level, the upward space or the room for up in the prices are very reduced compared to how low he can go, which is something just above 5,000, although in the recent past it had not bottomed below 5,800. So we are not expecting also that it goes down till the 5,000s. We believe that it will remain within the house of the 6,000s. However, its room for up trends or up moves in the price, increasing on its price, is reduced. So to have a more exact perspective, we will check in a perspective of 23 weeks, a more recent point of view over the price. So what we see here is a similar picture in the sense that the region that it has visited the most is where the price is currently lying in, and it is nearing its top. So again, the room for rising in its prices are reduced because it is already at its top mostly, and it has a room to go down until the bottom of the region. However, the prices are framed in a channel that is slightly upward, and its bottom has been tested already twice, which makes it a somehow strong channel, and its bottom is currently around 6,450 in this range. So we believe that any downtrend move will be stopped at this point, which is somehow the same value of the top of the downward channel that it breached in the last graphic that we showed here. So it is somehow locked in this range. That's it. As we can see here, once more, the volume of this last week was lower than the previous ones, and that reinforces our opinion, our interpretation, our understanding that the prices will continue its sideways move. Some might say that it's in an accumulation phase. We disagree, because the accumulation phase means that it is accumulating energy, and that is volume of negotiation, which are essentially to exponential moves, be it upward, be it downward. So none of this is happening. The volumes are trending to an average, and that means that it is not accumulation phase. The prices are just lying there. So there is no indication of any move, be it up, be it down, and in this sense, we do not give investment advice, but we see as a low risk-return ratio, meaning that there is a lot of risk for very few return. So we do not see an opportunity for business. But there will be an uptrend, there will be a high in the prices, there is a momentum that will be in the future. So until this takes place, It is only risk that we see right now. So there is not a justification to put more money or to add money in an asset that is not moving, and it only yields any return once you sell it. So that's it. It's just you're buying risk. You're not buying return. Okay. So to have a more precise perspective, we will now go directly to our independent algorithm of the same software that forecasts directly the prices. And we see here that our expectation for the next Sunday is around $6,552 in an interval that goes from 6,120 till 6,983. If you're following our analysis, we have mentioned in the previous weeks, mostly 1 month ago or more, that the prices of Bitcoin will experience extreme difficulty to abandon the house of 6,000, meaning from 6,000 to 6,999. They'll be very likely included there for a long time, and they'll have difficulty to leave it. And that's precisely what is still true, and that's precisely what is depicted in this interval that covers nearly exactly this range. And that shows that the trends for the next days and possibly for the next weeks, until something changes in this volume behavior, the trend is a sidewalk. Okay, we might see a spike in the prices, yes. So the first week you will lose, the first week you will be out of it, but that doesn't mean a loss. Okay, that means more certainty for your future gains. So cautiousness is very important and very critical and essential for a profitable trade. Thank you very much for your attention. This was our analysis for Bitcoin priced in United States dollar for this week that ends this Sunday, 14 October. And follow our channel on YouTube, activate the notifications so you know when we post new videos, and you can follow us on our Telegram channel, Hello Wild Horses. Thank you very much. Have a nice week.